Have you suddenly opened VirtualBox and started getting this error saying failed to set the global VirtualBox extra data? Or maybe you're seeing messages like host failure, failed to acquire VirtualBox parameter, or failed to acquire host parameter. Don't worry, in this video I'll show you exactly how I fixed it on my own computer. As you can see, every time I launched VirtualBox, multiple host failure notifications kept appearing on the side, and clicking OK didn't solve anything. VirtualBox simply refused to work properly. Since these errors appear together, it usually indicates that VirtualBox isn't able to read its configuration correctly, or some installation components have become corrupted. Instead of changing random settings or deleting files, let's use the safest troubleshooting method. First, visit the official Oracle VirtualBox website and download the latest version of VirtualBox. Even if VirtualBox is already installed, simply run the installer again. The installer will detect the existing installation and repair or replace any damaged files automatically. Don't worry, this process does not remove your virtual machines or your virtual hard disks. Your saved operating systems remain intact. Now wait for the installation to finish. Once it's completed, launch VirtualBox again. As you can see, the host failure messages are completely gone. The VirtualBox manager opens normally and everything is working again. If you're getting the failed to set the global VirtualBox extra data error along with failed to acquire VirtualBox parameter or host failure, reinstalling VirtualBox from the official website is one of the safest and most effective solutions. I hope this video helped you.